Hey, and welcome to this video from Shack about the JCal Pro calendar extension. I'm going to show you how you can add Google Maps to your JCal Pro events. This is really useful for showing people exactly where they need to go if you have real live events taking place in a particular location. For this demo, I have a almost completely brand new Joomla site set up with JCal Pro installed, and we have a couple of events already created. In this example here, I have a location listing for the Empire State Building. I need to do a couple of things in order to get events like this on the site. One is to get a Google Maps API key. Google Maps is always asking for an API key nowadays. This is to restrict you from using Google Maps too heavily without paying for it. Don't worry, you are going to have to use the maps an awful lot to have to pay anything. But your first step is to get a Google Maps API key, and we have documentation on joomlashack.com explaining exactly how to do that. Once you've gone through the API setup at google.com, you go back to your Joomla site, and in the admin area, go to Components and JCal Pro, and then the Options button in the top right corner. Click on the Location tab, and you can enter the API key in here. Once you've done that, you can start to add locations to your events. The Locations area is on the left-hand side. And with the Empire State Building example here, I have entered the address and, importantly, the latitude and longitude as well. There are some really helpful sites online which enable you to get this information in just a few seconds. This particular site just allows me to enter the name of the place. I click Find, and it gives me the latitude and longitude immediately. Once you have the latitude and longitude from a website, you can come back to your JCal Pro entries and paste the latitude and longitude into these fields here. You can see the map on the right-hand side is automatically reflecting that this latitude and longitude is in central New York, it's in Manhattan. So that looks like it's the right information for the Empire State Building. Once you have a location set up, you can now add it to the different events on your site. I mentioned earlier in the video that I have a little bit of dummy content already set up for this demonstration. So I'm going to open one of these JCal Pro events, and in the Event Details tab, you can choose a location. And in this case, I'm going to choose the only location I have. I'll click on Save and Close for this. And if I go to the front of the site and click on Calendar on the right-hand side, I should see my event is visible there. If I click through, we have the location and we have a live Google map showing people exactly where it is. This is the event. It has the date, it has the category, it has the other key information. It also has the location as well now. And if you click on the location for the event, you'll get all the extra details you entered. You'll get the address, you'll get the state, the zip code or the postcode, the extra information. You'll get the Google map, and you'll get information about all the events that are taking place at this particular location. So what's happened is that this new location actually has a real live page on the website that people can link to. You can go to the calendar to see all the events that are taking place, or you can go to a location to see all the events that are taking place at that particular place. So if you haven't tried it, head over to Joomla Shack and give JCal Pro a try. It really is the best Joomla calendar extension.